Lavender hydrosol is a must-have floral water to be used daily at home because of its medicinal benefits including antibiotics, antibacteria, anti-inflammation. In today's video, I will introduce you the best 5 uses of lavender hydrosol. Hello, this is Leo at LETIME. There are 2 chapters in this video. The first chapter will demonstrating you how to make a lavender hydrosol at home by using LETIME KD5 distiller with the dry lavender buds. It's a steam distillation process. So we put the lavender flower into the steamer. Steam will come out from the pot and go through the flower and extract the essential components out of the flower. There are many types of lavender, but generally the 2 major types are popular now. One is called English lavender. It's also called true lavender. It has a less oil content and a stronger lavender aroma. And the other one is lavandin. It's hybrid between the English lavender and the Portuguese lavender. It has more flowers and it has a higher oil content compared with English lavender. Both of them has a strong medicinal benefits. The difference is lavandin has more kaffir compared with lavender, and the lavender has more the linalool. When we do the distillation, always want to use the flowers because the flower has the most essential compounds. And you can use the fresh flower or use the dry flower. By using dry flower, because it has a less moisture content, we can get a higher concentrated hydrosol and a more essential oil. After the distillation, we got the milky hydrosol with a layer of essential oil on top. I was asked, do I need to always separate the essential oil out of the hydrosol? My answer is you don't have to. Because when you store the hydrosol at home, the oil play a role in keeping the hydrosol last longer time because the oil has a stronger antibacterial property and it keep discharging into the hydrosol to make it saturated. So this gives the benefit of its lifetime. The second, it provides the hydrosol a stronger medicinal benefits because it's keep it saturated, so you always have the best hydrosol to be used all the time. So now we talk about the best 5 uses of lavender hydrosol. The first one is the skincare. Because it contains the alcohol and ketone chemicals, these natural chemicals are strong antibacteria, antibiotics, and anti-inflammation. So these keep the skin hydrated and keep it smooth and prevent from the wind and the temperature damage. So it's perfect to be used in the winter season. And also it helps calm down the acne, eczema, other skin problems. It's a child friendly. The second one is a mouthwash. I had a sore throat a couple days ago, and I keep using the lavender hydrosol to rinse. It helps a lot. It reduces the pain and feel much smooth in my throat. So you can do a 1-to-1 dilution. That means 1 part of the hydrosol, lavender hydrosol, with 1 part of the distilled water and mix well, and then you rinse it. For kids, you can do 1-to-10 ratio for daily use. So even you don't have a sore throat, but this, because of its nature, antiseptic, so it can keep our mouth and throat clean. The third one is a wonderful travel companion. When you take a long travel, either in the car or on an airplane, you want to take a bottle of lavender hydrosol with you. This can help you refresh and keep away the tiredness and keep you wake up and make you feel energized. You can spray in the air and then breathe in, and you can spray on the hair, the face, whole body. And number 4 is you can add into a diffuser before you go to bed and this will release the lavender aroma into the air and make you a perfect environment to calm down, reduce the stress. The last but not least is the minor cut or skin wash. So if you have a cut, a small cut or small scrape on the skin, use lavender to rinse and wash it. You don't have to wipe it off after you spray on the part, because these have a good antibacterial and also anti-inflammation. It can help improve the skin recovery. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what's your best use of a lavender hydrosol and what other hydrosols you want to learn. Subscribe to LETIME channel and see you next time.